So, good day. I am Angel May Dukay and I am a researcher from University of Cebu. So, we conducted a research which entitled Innovative Strategies for Online Sellers. So, this contains 4 questions with its sub-questions. So, first is, may I ask what is your name?
I'm Sheila Z. Dungalio.
What products are you selling online?
I am selling a product sold trendy and casual wear.
Then, what platforms and means do you use?
I use Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, as well as e-commerce sites like Shopee and Lazada.
So, first question is, how do you innovate your online selling strategies despite the competition to the industry?
I stay updated with market trends and continuously adjust my marketing strategies to attract more customers. Engaging content, personalized promotions, and interactive campaigns help me stand out from competitors.
Next is, how do you technological advancement influence your strategies on your online selling?
New technologies like all-powered chatbots and automated order processing help improve customer service and efficiency. Social media, algorithms, and analytics also allow me to target potential buyers more effectively.
And then next, what challenges have you encountered in adopting innovative strategic techniques?
Keeping up with algorithm changes and increasing competition are major challenges in online selling. Additionally, high marketing costs and fluctuating customer demand make it difficult to maintain a steady growth rate.
Then, how do you address challenges related to measuring the effectiveness of your innovative strategies?
I used analytics tools to track engagement, conversion rates, and customer feedback to assist the customer of my strategies. Regular adjustments and A/B testing help refine my approach for better results.
Then next, how important are the innovation that you stated a while ago in your business?
These innovations are crucial in keeping my business competitive and attracting a loyal customer base. Without continuous improvements, it would be difficult to maintain visibility and sales in the crowded online market.
Next is, how have these innovations contributed to the improvement of your business?
They have increased my reach, improved customer engagement, and boosted overall sales. Automation and digital marketing strategies have also helped streamline operations and reduce manual workload.
Then lastly is there anything that you would like to share about your experiences as an online seller?
Online selling is challenging but rewarding, especially when you see your business grow through your efforts. Adaptability, creativity, and consistency are key to success in this competitive industry.
So that would be all for our survey. Thank you for participating.
Thank you.